guys, Steve Wolbach, your friendly public adjuster. Today I'm going to read a paragraph out of a letter I have from a homeowner that had filed a claim, much to their dissatisfaction. We're going to keep things, any names, any reference to any insurance companies, it will not be discussed here. But I just wanted for you to listen to the tone of how this went, of how they went and filed a claim on their own behalf. We're not familiar with what the procedures was, did not know exactly what the steps to take to be able to file this, not knowing the provisions that are in a claim that need to be adhered to. So just listen to how this went. He starts out, addressing the individual. Received your letter dated and blank blank, and I would just like to make a comment to it that this is the same scenario of how you really know how to delay our homeowner's insurance claim. Your continued refusal to us of our valid claim proves your in denial character pertaining to our case. Records showed that from the very beginning, blank blank and blank blank, our adjuster denied our claim. We just didn't take your decision sitting down. Instead of educating us of our benefits or our rights, we decided to discover these rights on our own. Then, little by little, you were convinced that this was really a valid claim. Now, it also goes on that they were not paid fairly on the damage. I just wanted to leave that part. So, what did we hear in this thing? I mean, some of the way it was phrased, it didn't really run smoothly, I agree, but that's not the point. Here's the thing. If he just would have accepted that letter, they ended up receiving some type of a payment without the help of a public adjuster, just for standing up for themselves. So I can applaud them for that. Not accepting right away that denial, which they stated right there from the very beginning. When you guys came out, you already had your minds made up that this was going to be denied. And you didn't help us at all for us to try to pursue this to overturn that decision. We had to go on a fact-finding mission on our own to come up with what we came up with, which were legitimate facts that then did actually, to some degree, cause you to change your decision and actually pay out a little bit. It wasn't nearly enough. That's where we had gotten involved and were to take this further for them. But the point was that they did something on their own. They knew that this was not right. They smelled that proverbial rat. I'm not saying insurance companies are a rat. I'm just saying that that's what happens, that they had a certain motivation not to rule in favor of this claim in a positive note for the homeowner. It ended up was more favorable for the insurance company. So that's a lot of times these policies, claims go in this direction. Now, I'm not going to say every single one does that. I know that. I do see an extremely high percentage. Which one will you fall under? Are you going to fall under where they're coming out really to get the bottom of the problem, to rule in favor of, let's see what we can pay you to help you to be indemnified, to be made whole? Or are you going to be the one that we see so often that is claims going to be denied, that there will be no coverage here, there will be no check. Do not pass go to collect $200. If you enlist the services of a public adjuster, I don't know, offhand I would suggest that friendly guy, Steve Wolbach, your friendly public adjuster, get him involved. He can help you with this claim. He can also tell you that, is this something that if you didn't file yet, should you file? Sometimes claims should not be filed. It all depends on, and every circumstance is different. Every home is different. Something, damage happening in one home with one policy versus same damage happening in another home with a different policy structure. two entirely different scenarios. You do not always have the same result. It's very important to realize and understand. There's where a public adjuster can help you with that. Guys, I hope that this sheds some light a little bit of how a homeowner himself took it and noticed right away, hey, you weren't out here to help me, right? You didn't tell me what my rights were. You didn't give me any direction how we could maybe turn this into something where I could get paid on. Your objective when you came out here from the very beginning was not to pay me anything. And thank goodness I was able to get paid. So there you go, guys. It's up to you. You have the power to either pursue things through the help of a public adjuster or not. It's your choice. Guys, thanks for listening. If you liked what you heard, would you give me one of those? Would you please share this with others? Please subscribe to my page, my channel, my YouTube channel, that I will continue to make more videos on there. I hope that people are learning things from this. I hope that they're benefiting from the information I'm putting out there. That's what this is about. Guys, thank you very much. Have yourselves a great day. And God bless you.